Hello everyone. In this video, we will see one of the important function used in jobs while using Excel. That is the pivot table. Now we will see what is the importance of a pivot table. See, pivot table will create a report of the given set of data. So we'll see how beautifully it is doing it. Now we have a set of data over here where I have the department, category, and what is the sales taken place. So I have 4 different types of department. Now, if I want to create a report based on the sales that has taken place in each of the department, I use the pivot table. So for that, I click on Insert, Pivot Table. Now, it is showing me the range of cells that I am using for the creating the pivot table. Now, I would like to create a new worksheet. So I click on New Worksheet and click on OK. So here I see that how do I want my report to be. So I want the department name to be row wise. I want the category to be column wise, and the sales value. Okay, now you can beautifully see that bakery item, the grand total is going to be 17,751. So here we can see the grand total as well and the total department wise. So we have seen how fast we can create a report using a pivot table.